on the outside. Iyon, Dr. Jaden. Holy Nitro is running by Doral, rushing on the outside. Strike at Sunrise. Barbie Handsome Hank match play is running at the tail of the field. Superior Joe by about 2 lengths. Dr. Jaden is running second by Drell. And on the outside third, Iyon, strike at Sunrise. Barbie. Holy Nitro is running in 6th, 7th, belong to Handsome Hank. And at the far turn, Superior Joe by only a length and a half. Dr. Jaden is done on the inside. And Iyon, strike at Sunrise. Handsome Hank is done on the inside. Barbie as they race the final corner. Superior Joe the outside. Dr. Jaden done on the inside. Iyon, and Handsome Hank with the last 150 meters more to run. Superior Joe by about 3 lengths now. Dr. Jaden, Handsome Hank, Iyon, and nearing the finish line. It's a scintillating run coming from Superior Joe. Handsome Hank, Dr. Jaden, Iyon, Holy Nitro, strike at